Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome to my studio. Welcome to the crochet along for the Wren crochet motif top. This is so simple. It has so many options. You can wear it as a top to fit, oversized for a poncho. There are 8 sizes plus charts included in the pattern. The pattern is free for a limited time here on Patreon. It will eventually become a paid pattern on my website, and you also here on Patreon are getting a VIP early access to the crochet along, which starts now. There are 3 parts to the video. In the first video, I'm going to show you how to make the square motif. In the second video, I'm going to show you how to make the triangle motif and join it to the squares. And in the third video, I'm going to show you how to join together to make the waistband, which will then create your armhole openings and your waist opening. Let's get started. Okay, so now we have all 4 of our motifs joined, and as you can see, we have a neck opening here, and we either have the bottom hem open if we wanted it to be a poncho, or if we wanted to add a waistband, we would start from the corners here, the 2 corners of the sleeve, start here, work across the lower edge of the body, and end here at the second corner of the sleeve. And that would give us our armhole openings and then give us our waistband. This is totally optional. You could either do that or leave it open to be the poncho. Let me show you how we begin the lower body hem. And that's going to be by working in these row end stitches. See, there's a chain 3 and a double, so the chain 3 counts as a double and then a double. So we're going to work 2 double crochets in each one of these stitches across. Starting at the edge of the triangle, we'll join with a slip stitch into that row end stitch. And this is where you can adjust the length of the top too. You could do more rows or less rows than I did before the fringe, or exclude the fringe and just make more rows to make this top as long as you want. So the first double crochet is going to be a chain 3 that counts as a double, then a second double crochet in that same row end stitch, then repeat this all the way across this triangle. And you could work in the ring here as well if you wanted to. Okay, and this is our last row end stitch for this triangle. But we're going to work this in the round. So what we're going to do is turn our work now and just continue on working this round into the row end stitches of the second triangle. Okay, now we've worked completely across the second triangle. We'll turn our work again now, and then we can slip stitch to join to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round. And what's so cool about working this as a round like this is we've automatically created our waist separate from our sleeves. So we've got our armhole openings and we have our waist opening. So by working in the round along the edge of the 2 triangles, we automatically close everything up together to make this the top version. Again, you would not do this if you wanted to keep it open as a poncho. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check back for the rest of the videos. This is a 3-part video series for the crochet along for the Wren crochet motif top. I hope you'll join me. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.